Today we're going to talk about negative externalities and the effects that they have on society. A negative externality is a cost that is suffered by a third party as a result of an economic transaction. The three examples we're going to talk about today are plastic bags, cigarettes, and natural gas.
Alright, what do we got? So the first example is the plastic bags, and the three negative externalities associated with it are littering, animal consumption, and environmental risks. So that we have the marginal benefit, the marginal cost, and the free market equilibrium, where marginal benefit is greater than marginal cost. In order to offset the negative externality, the firm imposes a 2-cent tax per bag. That's demonstrated by that new supply curve there. So that would be the new equilibrium. So the yellow triangle there represents supplier plus opportunity costs. The red triangle represents negative total surplus. The red triangle basically means that the marginal cost is greater than the marginal benefit, which negatively impacts society.
The second example we have is cigarettes. Some of the negative externalities associated with cigarettes are cancer, secondhand smoke, and tax money for healthcare. We can see this by the demand curve, also known as the marginal benefit curve, followed by the supply curve, also known as the marginal cost. Here we have the market equilibrium at which the free market is selling cigarettes. To the right of this curve, we can see that marginal cost is higher than marginal benefit. This means that the firm is producing too much. In order to offset this overproduction, the solution would be to impose a tax on cigarettes. This would increase the supply curve up and to the left. Now we have a new market equilibrium which would be optimal for customers to pay. This yellow triangle represents supplier plus opportunity cost. This red triangle represents the negative total surplus, which means that the company is producing too much. Notice how the yellow triangle is much smaller than the red triangle. This means that the cost of making these extra cigarettes is outweighing the benefits to society, making it a negative externality.
So, yeah. Everybody needs gas. They don't think about the harms and the negative externalities that come with gas. For our third example, we have natural gas. Some negative externalities of this are air pollution, water pollution, and soil pollution. The red line is described as the marginal benefit or demand curve. This blue line is our marginal cost or supply curve. As you can see, the green dashed line is going to represent our free market equilibrium. Now, with negative externalities, this is taking into account society's cost to having natural gas. This shifts the supply curve up and to the left, as you can see by the yellow line now, and creating a new free market equilibrium. The yellow triangle is our supplier plus opportunity costs, and this red triangle is our negative total surplus, which means that the company is producing too much since the marginal cost will outweigh the marginal benefit and making it more costly than it will be to benefit the company from producing this.